Happy Thanksgiving. Today we're going to tell you how to get the juiciest, tastiest turkey possible for Thanksgiving right now. So all you got to do, there's 3 simple steps. First step, get your herbed butter, whatever herbs you want to have, and rub it under the skin, inside the cavity, put it under there. That's going to release the oils and keep in the moisture inside the turkey. Second is to put it inside an oven bag, the size for a turkey. So put it inside an oven bag. So not only is it going to keep the moisture in, it's going to steam it. But the third and most important thing that you need to do, after it's done cooking, let it sit 1 to 2 hours in its juices, just like resting a steak. It actually allows it to absorb the moisture back in, and it keeps it moist and delicious. Once you let it sit for the 1 to 2 hours afterwards, open it up, take the remainder of the juices out so you can make some gravy, and you will have the tastiest, most tender turkey possible. If you want to get even more tender, flip your turkey up so the breasts are down in the liquid, and while it's sitting for that 1 to 2 hours, let it get on the breasts, because the breasts are the driest part of the turkey. So if it's soaking in that liquid and if the breasts are soaking up the liquid, they're going to be also more tender. Hopefully this was an excellent, easy tip for you so that you can have delicious, juicy turkey for you, your family on Thanksgiving. If it was helpful, please give us a big thumbs up. And make sure you share it with all your friends and family so they can have juicy, delicious turkey too. We'll talk to you later. Happy Thanksgiving.